I love a girl named Madeline, I know she loves me too. For every night in the bright moonlight we ride in my canoe. I kiss her in the parlor, I hug her in the hall. But when we're out in my canoe, I love her best of all. 'Cause when I'm paddling Madeline home, gee, when I'm paddling Madeline home, first we drift with the tide, then pull for the shore. I hug her and kiss her and paddle some more. I just keep paddling Madeline home until I find a spot where we're alone. Oh, if she'd only say, throw those paddles away. Paddling Madeline, sweet, sweet Madeline, paddling Madeline home. Yes, when I'm paddling my Madeline home, gee, when I'm paddling Madeline home, we go for the shore instead of a float, do a little neck and then get right back in the boat. I just keep paddling Madeline home until I find a spot where we're alone. Then it's back up the creek with a creek in my back, all calls for